If you want 2025 to be the year you finally break free from financial stress, then listen closely because the truth is simple. People who win in 2025 are the ones who build multiple income streams, not the ones who wait for a miracle. Side hustles are no longer optional. They're your fastest path to financial independence. And today I'm going to show you 10 that anyone can start even with zero experience. Welcome to Smart Cash Academy, the place where you learn how to grow your income, upgrade your mindset, and build a smarter financial future. And today, I'm breaking down 10 beginner-friendly side hustles you can start this year, step by step with earning potential and real examples, so you can pick the one that fits your life best. The first side hustle is AI-powered freelancing. In 2025, AI is exploding and people need help using it more than ever. Businesses want AI-generated social media posts, product descriptions, chatbot responses, and simple automation. Getting started is easy. Learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or 11 Labs for basic tasks. Create a gig on Fiverr or Upwork offering AI-assisted writing, AI presentation design, or AI research summaries. Even beginners can work 1 to 2 hours a day and earn anywhere from $20 to $200 per project once you build your first few reviews. Next is print on demand. You don't need inventory, you don't need designs, and you don't need upfront money. All you need is an idea. You upload a design to sites like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify, and they print and ship everything for you. You can sell t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, phone cases, whatever is trending. Start by using free AI design tools to create simple text-based quotes and upload them consistently. With just an hour a day, beginners can realistically make $100 to $500 per month, and successful stores cross $2,000 plus. Another powerful one is short-form video editing. TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts are dominating 2025, and creators desperately need editors. You don't need professional skills. Basic editing using CapCut or VN is enough to start. Record a few sample edits using trending clips to showcase your style, post them on your social media, and pitch creators with less than 50K followers. They're the ones who need help most. This side hustle requires around 1 to 2 hours per client, and editors commonly make $20 to $60 per video, with experienced ones earning $1,000 plus monthly. Digital products on Etsy are exploding right now. These are items like planners, templates, guides, wedding invitations, or business worksheets. You create them once, and they sell forever. You can make them in Canva for free. Beginners often upload 10-20 items in their first month and slowly start seeing sales. Many Etsy sellers earn between $300 and $2,000 per month, depending on how many products they make and how well they optimize their listings. Affiliate marketing is next, and it's one of the most passive side hustles you can begin today. You recommend products you truly use, books, apps, courses, software, fitness gear, and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Start by creating simple TikToks or Instagram posts sharing useful tips or tools, and place your affiliate link in your bio. With just 15-30 minutes a day, beginners can earn $50, $300 a month, and once your content grows, earnings can jump to $1,000 plus. Online tutoring is another easy opportunity. You don't need a degree to teach basic subjects, languages, or skills like math, English, or even computer basics. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, and TutorMe let you start quickly. You set your schedule, work from home, and teach students worldwide. Most tutors earn $10 to $25 per hour, and even with part-time effort, you can make $300 to $800 per month. Freelance writing is perfect for anyone who enjoys explaining things clearly. Companies need blog posts, newsletters, and product descriptions every single day. Use AI as your helper, not your replacement. Let it structure your ideas, and you refine the final message. Create a simple writing portfolio with 3 sample articles and upload it to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Medium. Writers typically charge $10 to $50 per article when starting, and experienced freelancers can easily reach $2,000 plus per month. Dropshipping still works in 2025, but only if you keep it simple. Instead of building a huge website, choose 1 or 2 trending products and focus on short-form content to promote them. Use Shopify and connect it to suppliers like CJ Dropshipping. You don't buy inventory, you only pay when someone orders. This hustle requires learning a bit of marketing, but even beginners can make $300 to $1,000 per month once they find a product that gets consistent orders. Microtask platforms are perfect if you want instant earnings with zero learning curve. Apps like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Appin, Clickworker, or Remote Tasks pay you for small jobs like categorizing images, testing apps, and doing simple surveys. You won't get rich, but you can earn $5 to $25 a day in your spare time, which adds up to an extra $150 to $500 a month. Ideal for beginners who want to start immediately. The last one is social media management. Small businesses are desperate for someone to handle their posting schedule, respond to comments, and create simple content. You don't need to be an expert, just consistent. Start by offering to manage pages for local shops or entrepreneurs. With 1 to 2 hours a day, you can charge $150 to $600 per client, and handling 2 or 3 clients can turn into a solid $500 to $1,500 monthly side income. No matter which side hustle you choose, the biggest mistake is doing nothing. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start messy. Every income stream you build in 2025 gets you one step closer to independence, freedom, and the life you actually want. So take action today and choose one side hustle to begin this week. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to Smart Cash Academy for more powerful income building tips, and drop a comment telling me which side hustle you're starting next. Let's build your future, one smart step at a time.